Hey, hey, Carmen is here. Today is a beautiful day, sunny, nice, bright. Today is a day to care my plants. Look at my garden. My garden is a little poor because my flowers don't look everyone beautiful. But I try to learn to care every plant. You can see I had flower, I had onion and peppers. That is that small plant. You can see it's growing. I need to put more air. I had the little one is lemon. My favorite look is the pitahaya trees. Now had some fruits growing. Something is small yet and green, but the others are red. Is almost ready to eat. It's important to know every plant because everyone demands different ingredients or product to grow. For example, the pitahaya don't like so much the water. You can see here is a little sick that branch because rain too much in this day. If you can see, look, this small fruit die because rain so much and pitahaya no like so much water when the fruit is grown. The flowers of the fruit is the first coming to grow and later appears the fruits. So if you had pitahaya, remember to have the plant to put under the sun in dry place because not really like the water. Different to the mango trees, like to feel fresh and so much water. The same these plants, look, is a little roots because not like so much the water. The same the orchidea. You can see this was the orchidea but died because I put so much water and the roots die for roots water. You can see these too. So much water I need to put down like this. If no, later the plants die. I had another plant is growing too. That is flower from Jarabacoa. You can see they are growing very well. That plant like the water. I had some coconut plants too. They get dry too easy. For that reason, I need to put water every day. If not, die. This is oregano. It's good to cook and make a tea and good for the stomach. You can see this is another lemon twigs, and this is a little orange. But the bird really like and eat complete every time. Anyway, I had the hope that grow one time and produce orange. So this is the video for today. I hope you subscribe, you give me your like, and give me comments and advice about to keep my garden healthy and to make the flowers grow because for me it's a little hard in this time. Bye bye.